Students, we have studied about projectile given angular projection. Fine. So now we will try to do a numerical related to this topic. What does the question says? That a cricket ball is thrown at a speed of 28 meter per second in a direction 30 degree above the horizontal. Okay. So this cricket ball, let us suppose this is a ground and player is standing on the ground and he has thrown this cricket ball with some initial speed which is 28 meter per second and making an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. Fine. Now we have to calculate. So this would be the trajectory or the path followed by this projectile. Fine. Now we have to find the maximum height, this maximum height attained by the ball, the time taken by the ball to return to the same level. Okay, if it reaches here at maximum height, then we have to find the time taken to return to the same level. Okay, the horizontal distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns to the same level. So the thrower is standing here and the ball returns here. So we have to find this horizontal distance. Okay. And this horizontal distance is what? It is the horizontal range of this projectile. Okay. So we have to find the maximum height, the time taken by the ball to return to the same level, and horizontal range. So what all is given in the question? We always first write whatever is given in the question and what we have to find. So we are given with u, which is the initial velocity with which the ball is thrown. It is 28 meter per second, and the theta the thrower is making with the horizontal. Fine. So it is 30 degree. Now first we have to find the maximum height. We know by derivation of angular projection that maximum height is given as capital H is equals to u square sine square theta upon 2g. So what we have to do, we will simply put the values of u, theta and g. We know we always take g as 9.8 in this case. Fine. So if we put the values, we know sine 30 degree is equal to, it is equal to 1 by 2. Fine. So if we solve all this, we get the maximum height capital H as 10 meter. Fine. Solving this, we get maximum height H as 10 meter. Now the next part says that the time taken by the ball to return to the same level. Fine. So what is the time taken by the ball to return the same level? It is the time taken by the ball in its flight. Okay. So the total time taken by the ball in its flight is the time taken by the ball to return to the same level. And we know by the derivation of angular projection that capital T, time of flight, is equals to 2u sine theta by g. Again we will put the values of u, theta and g here and we will solve it, and we have found out that capital T is equals to 2.9 second. Fine. Now last is the horizontal distance. You have to find this horizontal distance, okay, which the projectile has covered throughout its motion. Fine. So the horizontal distance is given as the horizontal range, capital R. It is according to the angular projection derivation, it is equal to u square sine 2 theta upon g. So again we will simply put the values. Now this is sine 2 theta. So if we put the value of theta, it will become 2 into 30 degree will become sine 60 degree. Fine. And what is sine 60 degree? It is under root 3 by 2. So when we solve, we put all the values and we solve this, we get the horizontal range as 69.3 meter. So this was a very simple question in which all the values were given to us and we had to just put the values and find the answer.